¿Qué hacen?
Singing.
Singing? Or doing that crazy puzzle?
Very intensely.
How many months you have doing that?
One.
A couple.
No, not even a month. We didn't even get this like a month ago. Photo, disconnect right there.
2902 MLB wins.
But if I don't help you, how long do you think you would have been doing that? Huh?
Like
A year.
You wouldn't even. Dang, you're flat out. You're like a year.
It's not a year? Or what? Huh? Last night I saw them doing that and I said, well, let me just help them out a little bit because
Punto 299 era su average de night.
then
En aquel hotel terminó en el 73.
Fishy on me. I'm gonna slap you on me.
You're almost there. Mira acá, mamá, ya casi lo tienes, mira.
Oh yeah, put that there.
Fishy on me.
Let me see.
I know where this goes.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. Oh wait, no, that doesn't go there. Brother, it goes over here.
No.
Oh, it goes right there. Oh, it goes right here.
No. So you gotta find the pattern, bro.
Fishy on me. I'm gonna slap you on me.
How many pieces is that one?
500.
Now the next one we're gonna buy
1,000.
the south, and then
3,000.
but the next one you're gonna do it yourself. I'm not gonna tell you a thing.
No.
Well, I can do it because we can just find the edges. Remember, Sana?
Oh yeah.
Find the edges.
And then what?
And
then
then
I'm
we
gonna
do
slap
the
you on me.
insides.
The big things inside, like the yellow fish, like the other big fish.
Yeah, but next time I want to get the look. I want to get this one,
Yeah.
the Enchanted Rainforest,
Oh my God.
and then I'm gonna get the Whimsical Woodland, and then the African Oasis. This one is the mythical ocean.
Okay.
Mythical.
Slap you on me, fishy on me. I'm gonna slap you on me.
Almost done.
Almost.
10 more hours to go.
More like.
Just kidding.
I'm gonna slap you on me. Fishy on me. I'm gonna slap you on me. There's no way that goes that goes.
Bro,
Why does that
where
go
is
there?
this piece?
Oh no, that doesn't go there. It goes right there. Fishy. I'm gonna fish on you. Let me see that piece.
No.
Exactly. Because I don't know where it goes. I know where that goes.
Alright, fine. But where it goes in?
Right. Go somewhere right. I told you that I'm gonna slap you on it.
Where does this piece go?
Oh, don't turn them.
Bleep, 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 bleep. Bleep, 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 bleep. Boop, beep, boop, beep, boop, boop.
Espérate.
Let's see if I can do a couple before I leave.
Okay, let me see. How is going?
Going, I'm going.
I know where that goes.
You have to what to finish this?
We have to finish this.
We're gonna call Gaby para que ponga el last piece.
Yes. Don't put in the last piece if whoever has it.
sing. Ba-da-da-da-ding-a-dong-ding-a-ding.
That's not 100 pieces, guys. I think that's more than 100 pieces.
This is 500 pieces.
I mean, 500. I think that's more than 500.
You think?
So how many pieces left?
I don't know.
Let's see.
5,
Ooh,
6, 7,
just a little
7,
hole right there.
8. No, I can't. Oh, yeah, 8.
Come on. That one goes there.
Oh, yeah, that's the last piece.
Yeah. Whatever you want to do.
No, that's the last piece. No, that's the last piece. That's the last piece. Forgot. This is wrong here. No. Because look at the tail. It's from the end of the fish. That still goes there. I don't think so. Oh, yeah. Let me see. It has to go somewhere here because this connects.
No, that's not right.
Yeah, it does connect. Watch out.
Got it?
Yeah.
No, that is not consecutive to it. Right here, there's nothing. So that's wrong.
Let's see. Let's put it together. Yeah, that goes like that. It went like that. Yeah. Chop it right there.
3 pieces?
No, that doesn't go there.
Yeah. You need to find out. What about yours in your hand?
Said
Is
I
it-
put it. It
That
goes
doesn't go
there.
there.
Yes,
Yeah.
it does.
No, it doesn't.
Stop. This is the tentacle.
The tentacle is wrong somewhere
Something is
over here.
wrong.
Look at that piece
This
with the
one.
fish.
This
It's
one is
gone.
wrong.
It's wrong.
This one is wrong.
Gabi, ven. You put the last piece of the puzzle. The last piece of the puzzle, Gabi. Wait. Let me look at the puzzle.
Can I just?
Wait.
You can. You could.
No.
You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna shave the cat. If you do that,
Yeah.
we're gonna get you a Chinese. How you call it? Chinese cat, no? Or how?
Siamese cat.
What? I don't know.
Gabby.
Let me show me.
To you.
And look, after that,
Show me
we're
that.
gonna put it
Wait,
in
no.
there.
Show me that. Show me that.
This is-
Show me. Show
I'm
it to
gonna
me.
I present to you the last piece.
Oh, okay.
If
I
you do
see.
anything, I will kill you. I will throw this
Wait. It's gotta be with it. Okay, let's see. Oh my God, Gabi, come on, man. Don't push it. Yeah, come on. Yeah, Francis. Yeah.
What are you gonna do with it now?
We're gonna put it in
I'll show you.
Hey!
Oh my God, you're breaking now
I didn't break anything.
Vicente stuff.
Gabby,
Watch
look.
out, watch out.
Gabby, look. Just toss it. No, we're gonna put it on there. We're gonna put it there.
Hey, you guys need a few little.
We were
there.
supposed to leave.
We were supposed to leave, but we helped him. I would have done it by myself.
Oh yeah, I can see that in 200 years.
No, not even that. We're gonna put it in like one of those.
I'll give you $20
¿Eh,
besides.
Vicente?
Huh?
Se nota que ya lleva ahí 2 meses.
You guys
2
did that in
months.
one day, basically.
I think that one fits it.
What?
Yeah, but we're not taking that out. We're getting
You guys
another
are
one.
serious. Like,
We're getting another.
That's 500. We're gonna do it now
Look, right
at
there.
2,000.
Right there. We can put it right there.
Yeah, we're gonna do 2,000
Or a
pieces now. Alfonso, 2,000.
No,
Huh?
1,000.
I really just want to eat it off the table.
Okay, who made me buy that? Now you know what? You're gonna have to do a 2,000 now.
No, a
but it's that one is 500.
No,
And it took you like a month. So now you're gonna do mira a 1,000 piece. Okay? Say bye to the camera.